So does it really matter if it's upside down?
Yes, it does matter. And it won't function properly. This part here on the bottom that's actually the vent. That's actually allows, if it was to dump, that's how it dumps out.
And what about these screws? Do they have to be touched, fiddled with?
No, you don't touch those.
The water was flowing out yesterday when I tried.
Because they were probably open.
So they need to be turned off?
Yeah. When they're in the horizontal position, they're off.
Okay.